Creating beautifully turned pens starts with carefully preparing the turning blank. Introducing Pen Mill Ci, which precisely trims your blank perpendicular and perfectly flush to both ends of the insert tube, and effortlessly cuts every material pen turners use, like lignum vitae, the world's hardest and densest wood. Pen Mill Ci uses razor-sharp, nano-grain carbide inserts mounted in a precision machine milling head, and when an edge finally dulls, just simply rotate to a fresh edge. Plus, the cutting head is larger than any other on the market, eliminating the annoying halo after trimming a 3/4-inch square pen blank. The Pen Mill Ci also features fluted pilot reamers that clear any glue residue or burrs inside the insert tube, and keep the milling head perpendicular with Swiss precision. Available in 12 popular sizes, virtually every pen kit is covered. So effortlessly start off your pen turning projects with unmatched precision using the Pen Mill Ci and pilot reamers. Precision made in the USA.